Oh man. Oh man.
What's up, beef?
King Beef!
Appreciate you, Nick.
King Beef is in the house. Yeah.
Beef! King Beef!
King Beef, King Beef.
Let's go! Hi, King Beef! Oh my gosh, King Beef, tell us again! Hi, King Beef!
Let's go, King Beef!
Yes! Yes, Beef! Yes!
Now entering the royal court, it's the awesome King Beef. King in the beef. You are the king, that's why I'm just a duke. I'm just a duke.
King Beef, appreciate you, fam.
It's my boy Beef!
Why am I doing this, right? Ah, that's right. That's right. I low-key don't even want to open this right now, but I definitely do. Definitely do. So the photography or the videography in this video is not gonna be great. Okay? This is going to be a lackluster unboxing. Alright? Lackluster unboxing. I'm getting this game as soon as it comes out. Now, how do we open this thing? Come on, dude. I'm gonna just grab onto some of this, shrink wrap. Start with that. And yes, these are feather blanket. Dude, worth every penny. Cool. So now look at her in all her glory right there. Oh man. Oh man. Oh man, listen, dude. Listen, and I got the big boy. You think I got the 64 gig? You're crazy. Alright, so look at this here. You think I got this 64 gig? No broke boys over here, alright? Beefy boys gotta eat, so beefy boys gotta make some bread. Bread goes good with beef. Anyway, very clean box. Smaller than I thought it would be. And here it is. I got some more accessories on the way for this. I got the headset thing with the extra battery. Ooh, this feels way kind of. Ooh, I like this. Okay, you got your left, you got your right. Quick little situation. Not bad at all. Just looking like. I gotta hold the camera with one hand, and I gotta do the thing with the other. So a small Oculus box. I'm guessing this is some of the cords. Yeah, the power cord. C-type lightning to C-type lightning. Let's get this a good charge. It's probably gonna need to be charged out of the box, to be perfectly honest. And then this is probably the warranty and all that good stuff. We'll get into that shit later. But right now, let's talk about the Mama Jamma herself. The Oculus Quest 2. Can't remember if it was 356 gigabytes or 358 gigabytes. Don't remember. Do not remember. It's got the pass-through cameras. Right. I can't wait to put this on. So like I said, this is gonna be a quick video. Real quick video. You know, really quickly. This is fire. I'm not gonna lie. I can't wait to put this on and figure out how to work everything and do everything. What do we got here? Oh, protect the film. Take off the film. See how she really looks. Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm getting some new a new headset strap for this, and it's gonna come with an extra battery attached to the back of it. So it's gonna be even more fucking fire. All right, guys. Appreciate you guys stopping by. Sub to the channel. We will be playing some games in VR. Some more games in VR. Horror especially. It's still October, guys. Like I said, like the video, share, comment, subscribe. Appreciate you. Beefy boy out.
What's up, chat? What's up, Beef? Shout out, Beef. If you guys don't know Beef, you guys need to go follow Beef. King Beef's fucking kawaii as fuck. That's what Beef is. Beef is kawaii as fuck.
Beef.
Lose my shit, and I'm about to get kicked out of my apartment because I scream like a girl because I'm scared.
Follow my friend, go sub to his channel. He is the shit.
I'm in a cave, and I've heard of King Beef.